بزرگترین امید و یا میتونم بگم آرزوم اینه که طعم آزادی رو بچشن.
September 2022, Iran. A movement was born.
زن، زندگی، آزادی.
People took to the streets across the country to fight for the fundamental rights of women, liberty, equality, democracy. The European Parliament stood with them, calling for sanctions against the Iranian regime, and continues to do so by awarding the 2023 Sakharov Prize to the Woman Life Freedom Movement and Žina Mahsa Amini.
I think Mahsa, Žina's name, became a symbol of resistance, of demanding justice, and recognizing suffering of women inside of Iran.
Amini was a young Kurdish woman. She was arrested by Iran's morality police. Her crime, incorrectly wearing her hijab. She was beaten and tortured. 3 days later, she died. Aida Hajar, in exile in France since 2010, broke Amini's story.
It was so hard. It was in my head every day after that day, and puts me in a situation that feel more and more responsibility, not just about her, about our mission as a journalist.
Amini's death sparked massive protests led by women in Iran and around the world.
Women, life, freedom!
Iranian authorities responded with astonishing brutality. Tens of thousands were arrested, hundreds killed, including children. Many people were deliberately blinded.
اصلا فکرشو نمی‌کردم به سمت چشمم شلیک کنن. فکر می‌کردم باز به بدنم میزنن، ولی خب متاسفانه به سمت چشم شلیک کردن و باعث شد که چش راستم تو اون شلیک با اسلحه پینتبال که انجام دادن آسیب شدیدی ببینه و بیناییشو از دست بده.
Despite the violent repression, Iranians continued to demonstrate.
جنبش زن زندگی آزادی یکی از بزرگترین جنبش هایی بوده که توی ایران توی این 50 سال اخیر رخ داده و به دنیا نشون داد که مردم ایران مخصوصا زنها خیلی قدرتمند هستند و دنبال حق و حقوقشون هستند، با اینکه این همه سرکوب میشن و تحت فشارند دارن راهشون رو ادامه میدن.
Let's today's prize serve as our tribute to the brave and defiant women, men and young people in Iran who, despite coming under increasing pressure, are leading the push for change. The European Parliament hears you, the world sees you, and we are with you. Zan, zendegi, azad.